Would you look at that? I got some blue chips. These are Blue Heat Takis. I didn't even know that they existed, and I recently got some at the store, so I'm really excited about being able to try these. They look a little weird on the green screen, but we will open these suckers up and we're gonna taste them. But first, I want to say hello, everybody. How are you doing today? It's it's been a crazy week. If you would have seen the Halloween episode that we did recently, the Halloween special with the pod people, I almost died. I ate a 7-pot yellow brain strain. The mouth burn wasn't that bad, but it hit the gut like a flamethrower. It was crazy. I'm gonna break into these things. I'm a fan of Takis. I like them. I like Doritos. I'm a huge Dorito. These actually smell really good. They don't smell like, okay, whenever you think of the color blue, they don't smell like this. This smells almost like pizza or something. Okay, let's see if we can look into the bag. Podcamp sponsored by Dustin, the Atomic Menace. Thank you so much, Dustin, for supporting the show. Oh, that's nuts. Anyways, these are the blue chips. These are the Takis. They've made them an ungodly color. It looks kind of like Sonic the Hedgehog's quills. And I'm going to be eating them here for you. That's why. So you may be asking yourself, what does a blue chip taste like? I'll be happy to tell you. It says hot chili pepper tortilla chips. They are invisible right now. That's hilarious because they're green. That's haunted ghost chips is what it is. Tastes like normal Takis. It's got less of the lime, but I love the lime. I'm the lime guy. Let's see what's in these things, okay? Corn flour pressed with lime, vegetable oil, seasoning, citric acid, sugar, potassium chloride, salt, MSG, hydrolyzed soybean protein, natural and artificial flavors, hydrolyzed yeast, soybean oil, onion powder, blue chili pepper. So there's more. Hold on a second. On the label here, it says the Blue One Lake, sodium bicarbonate, then chili peppers. So there's literally more blue in these things. They're ghostly. Then there are chili peppers. Hello, snacks, man. Especially, like, chips. Like, my ideal snack is always, like, something crunchy and salty. That works out. I don't know what to say, okay? They're good. Takis Blue Heat, you taste great. Now, it does taste more like a normal corn chip. It's not hotter. If anything, to me, it's less hot. And it's less lime. It's a cool novelty, though. I mean, look, your hands turn blue instead of red. That's kind of cool. And your tongue's blue. That's fun. It's all about having fun, guys. Sometimes it's not about making sense. Thanks for tuning in. There's not really much else to say about these. Go out and grab a bag if you want to. Thanks. See you later. This has been the Chilimancer. Peace out, dudes.